In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a search bar to your Odoo website. Adding a search bar is a simple but powerful way to help your visitors quickly find what they're looking for, whether that's products, blog posts, or pages on your site. I'll walk you through each step slowly and clearly so you can follow along in your own Odoo instance. Let's start from the main Odoo dashboard. First, look for the website app. This is usually represented by an icon labeled website. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you into the website management area where you can see and edit the public-facing side of your site. Once your website is open, move to the top right corner of the page and find the Edit button. Clicking Edit switches your site into editing mode. You'll know you're in this mode when you see the building blocks or options appear, usually on the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you can drag and drop different elements onto your page. Now, within those blocks, look for the one labeled Search or Search Bar. Depending on your theme or version, it may be grouped under a section like Structure or Content. Once you've found it, click and hold on the search block, then drag it onto the section of the page where you want the search bar to appear. Release your mouse to drop it in place. A common spot is in the header or near the top of the page so visitors can see it right away, but you can position it wherever it makes the most sense for your layout. After placing the search bar, you'll want to customize it. Click directly on the search bar you just added to open its editing options. When you select it, a panel or toolbar will appear, usually on the left or above the element. Here, you can adjust things like the placeholder text, so instead of a generic search, you might write something like "search our products" or "search this site." You can also check if there are options to control what the search looks through, such as products, blog posts, or all website content, depending on your configuration and installed modules. Take a moment to preview how it looks and test it if possible. Once you're happy with the placement and styling, don't forget to save your changes. Click the Save button at the top of the page to publish the new search bar to your live site. And that's it. You've successfully added a search bar to your Odoo website, making it easier and faster for your visitors to navigate your content.